Going on, guys? I'm Zach.
And I'm Sam.
Welcome to our channel. I'm gonna react to Machine Gun Kelly lately. It's just about 2 days old or something. I want to see what he's going to do
After this diss.
Lately I've been having crazy thoughts. The way I'm living, shit get crazy dark. Tell me lately why we barely talk. Life's been getting to me, I just started smoking squares. They ain't getting in my circle though, we still prepared. I'm still dealing with some demons that ain't really there. Grew up a screw up, pierced my...
I think he's talking about a lot of things, what he's been going through. He's talking about he's been going a lot of demons, a lot of now he's smoking all these ciggies and all that. I think he's
Turn to a crackhead. Basically.
nah, but you know
after Eminem dissed him, he's turned to crack.
nah, you know when people are down, we can't just
No, I know.
we can't just think they deserve it. You know what I mean?
No, I'm not saying deserve it.
No matter what people do,
Yeah.
we still need to help people.
Yeah, that's it.
We can't let people just fall down.
My hair down my fucking hair. In 7th grade, I didn't have a bed, I had a share. The fuck you think I go so I had somebody trying to take your life? Sometimes I ain't safe for myself when I stay up at night. Lately I've been having crazy thoughts. The way I'm living, shit get crazy dark. Tell me lately why we barely talk. Hey, you know I'm trying to change, but it's very hard. Lately I've been having crazy...
It seems like, you know what, wait, hold on. It seems like he's going through stuff, he's going through like a lot of deep stuff. I feel sorry for him in a way, because even like he come on the Breakfast Club and he spoke about a lot of things, like he still takes a lot of drugs and all things like that. I hope he stops all that, you know, I hope he knows what he's doing to himself, because we've lost a lot of people to all these drugs. You don't want to be another one. You don't want to be that another number. Do you know what I mean? And obviously, like he's saying in this video now, in this music, like he's going through a lot of things, but a lot of people run to drugs to try and get away from all these other things. But come on, people, there's more things out there.
Talk to people.
Go and get out. Go and see like a therapist. Go and see a counsellor. Go and speak to people who you know. Your close ones. You might think you can't talk to people, but there gotta be someone you can speak to. Come on, allow the drugs. Put the drugs down. Start having a lot of water.
Crazy thoughts, the way I'm living, shit get crazy dark. Tell me lately why we barely talk. Hey, you know I'm trying to change, but it's very hard. I promised myself I ain't never going home. Not at all. 9 years old, my mama left me in the cold. Hey, what you think that type of shit do to your treat her like a hoe? That shit is fucked, damn. It be the shit that they don't know. I only smile in public just for show.
With it, you know what? It says on the side, it says MGK binge on lately. So it must be about binge, you know.
Yeah, no, his album's called Binge.
Oh, is it?
So,
I didn't realise.
I think he's talking about a lot of things that's happened in his life. A lot of, I reckon he's going to cover all the drug things, what he's doing and everything, binging. Like he just mentioned there, his mum kicked him out. He was out in the cold. He had his girlfriend, but he treated her like a, you know, HOE, you know. And I think he finds hard trusting people and everything. The song seems deep and it seems good so far as well.
I know they try to warn me about my dose. You know them kids be with the A and now them kids be seeing ghosts. Lately I've been having crazy thoughts. The way I'm living, shit get crazy dark. Tell me lately why we hard. Lately I've been having crazy thoughts. The way I'm living, shit get crazy dark. Tell me lately why we barely talk. Hey, you know I'm trying to change.
Lately I've been having crazy thoughts. Please tell me why I'm having these crazy thoughts. And please tell me why do we hardly talk.
You know what?
He's talking about like...
He's going through a hard time.
Yeah, it's like he's going through a hard time. He's talking about like, we don't talk as we used to. And he's asking like, Why is he thinking about all these crazy thoughts? And at the same time, like, he's saying he's trying to change. He doesn't know, I think he doesn't know how to ask for help, or he doesn't know which way to go for help. Series, you know what, everyone, you can always think you're always this big person. You know, everyone's got like weaknesses and everything. You don't always need to be that hard person.
Some people don't like to show as well.
Yeah, you know, you open up to people. People will help you. When people know you've got problems and you need help, they'll come and help you. Seriously, they will. But if you're always putting that brave face on, no one's going to really know. I know how you express it. Loads of musicians, they express it through the music. That's the only way they can get it out. So, come on, people, reach out and see what's wrong. Go and help them.
But it's very hard.
Like, you know, on the visuals as well, he's got like red eyes and stuff.
I was going to mention that as well.
Yeah.
It's like he's showing like evil or devil, you know, like a demon or something.
Or how the drugs kicked into him.
Maybe the drugs or whatever. It could be other things. It can be the drugs. Maybe it's making his eyes red, or it's evil or the demon trying to hold him back and trying to keep him in that wrong, you know, direction and everything. And he doesn't know how to get away around it. You know, I hope he finds a way out.
Yeah, it's true.
I hope he really does, series.
Lately I've been having crazy thoughts. Yeah, the way I'm tell me lately why we getting talk. Hey, you know I'm trying to change, but it's very hard. Lately I've been having crazy thoughts. Yeah, the way I'm living, shit get crazy dark. Tell me lately
What about that beat though, lad?
The beat's
that
good.
beat, the way it dropped in as well.
He said he's trying to change as well, you know what I mean?
It sounds like a familiar beat, you know.
Leave us a comment down below and let us know what's that beat.
Yeah, it's a boss beat as well. Come on, let's get back into it. It's nearly
why
finished.
we getting talk. You know I'm trying to change, but it's very hard.
Bad boy.
Wow, boy.
It looks like he's on a plane or something, and he's dreaming or something.
Do you know what? I feel sorry for him in a way.
Yeah, and you know what? That comment's what I said before, was only a joke. I didn't mean to disrespect him, you know what I mean? He's got a good talent, I was just joking about it. I know some jokes, something like that, it's because it's sensitive as well. So, forgive me. I'm really sorry.
Do you know, like, he wants to change. You know, he's going through a lot of things. You know, come on, people. Go and support him. Like I said, like these rappers, these entertainers, they don't say it like if they go in interviews or whatever. Their only way out is music. That's what they can do. That's where they can talk to. That's where they can run to. So that's where they express how they feel. So when they're saying things, take it seriously and think, you know what, Bart, I didn't know, like, he's going through this and he's going through a lot of things where he wants to change but he can't. And he's got addictions where he can't seem to change it, you know, or like control it. Come on, help him out. If he's a true mate, go and support him, go and help him out, tell him you need help, or I'm here for you to help you. That's for everyone, not just MGK, everyone who's listening to this video. If you need help, go and ask for help. I know it's hard, I know it's easy said and done, but come on, you should have that one person who you can talk to. There's always people there who will help you. Seriously, help yourself so you can get helped. Please subscribe, like and share. Until next time. Bye.